Hello and welcome to Victor Shamagi. If you're just joining us, this is the very beginning and essence of Victor Shamagi YouTube channel, where we bring in knowledge that are not common. Yeah. So we started with Fundy Designer in 2022. So the video made a quite significant kind of reach, and that is where we are at 3,111 as of today. So we are going to break down those tutorial into particular pieces. Today we're going to just look at how to resync photos. Now take for instance, I have this wedding of my beautiful brother and his bride, and I have designed just a page, I've not, and I want to export it. I just want everything to be plain white. But something happened when I just touch on images. I'm seeing this, and like all the pictures look as if are going. You see that nothing is happening here. There's no any cause for alarm around the design area, but on the images there is one anchor arrow showing. So I don't really know what that means. So this will stop you from exporting. For example, we go to export and we click on let's export it for print. You will just see that it's a canceling the export. Please update image path using the manage. Now what really happened is that the image location have been changed. That's what happened. So what do? You need to resync the image. Then you quickly go to images and then you come to resync image. This will allow you to go to the location to which your images are. That's the current location where they are right now, and you click on it. So I'm just going to go to desktop because I moved it to desktop. So from the desktop I'll locate the name of the folder carrying this. So this is the name of the folder. Once I click on OK, you will see that it's updating images. Now it's updating and it's done. So by the time I go back to images, you will see that everything that I've used in designing this is still, it's all intact. That's red arrow, whatever link sign is gone. So we can quickly be able to export. So thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next one, whereby we will begin to break them in pieces and show you some of the things you will face in Fundy Designer. So ladies and gentlemen, I will see you in the next video, but don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.